Searching for a barcode label printer designed for your fast-paced facility? The Zebra ZT400 Series is built to streamline workflows in rugged environments. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, the ZT400 can handle a wide range of printing applications to help boost worker productivity. This powerful and versatile line of industrial printers is designed to withstand harsh environments and multiple users with unwavering reliability and durability. The large, intuitive color touch display makes operating and managing easy. This helps reduce training time so users can get up and running fast. Replacing media is a snap with a side-loading path. Enroll in Zebra's printhead protection program and receive free replacement printheads when you source Zebra certified supplies. Whether you need to print labels, tags, or receipts, the ZT400 Series can deliver high-quality results quickly and reliably. Talk to us today to learn more.